In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and set up email on Hostinger. If you want a professional email address connected to your domain, Hostinger makes the process pretty straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the basic setup so you know exactly where to click and what to expect along the way. To get started, first open your Hostinger account and sign into your dashboard. This is the main area where you can manage your hosting, domains, websites, and email services all in one place. If you're new to the platform, take a moment to look around so you feel comfortable navigating the menu. Once you're inside your account, go to the Emails section. This is where Hostinger lets you choose and manage your email services. When you open that area, you'll usually see different email plan options available. Feel free to select the plan that best fits your needs. For example, if you only need a basic professional inbox for personal business use, a simple plan may be enough. If you need more storage or want multiple mailboxes, you may want to choose a larger option. After choosing your preferred plan, continue by following the prompts shown on your screen. Hostinger is designed to guide you through each part of the setup, so just move step by step through the process. In most cases, this includes confirming your selection, connecting the email service to your domain if needed, and completing the initial setup. As you go, read each screen carefully before clicking Continue. This helps you avoid selecting the wrong option and makes the setup smoother. If Hostinger asks you to review plan details, storage limits, or billing information, simply check that everything matches what you want before moving forward. Once the prompts are complete, your email service should be added to your Hostinger account and ready for use. At that point, you can usually continue into the email management area to begin working with your mailbox settings and account options. A helpful tip is to make sure you're setting up email for the correct domain, especially if your Hostinger account manages more than one website or domain name. That small check can save you time later. And that's it. The main process is simply to open your Hostinger account, go to Emails, choose the plan you prefer, and follow the on-screen prompts to finish the setup. If you follow those steps carefully, you'll be ready to use your email through Hostinger in just a few minutes.